Hello, have you ever wondered what to put in your Lego house? Well, it's simple. If you want something in your kitchen, like a refrigerator, just look at my video. So, first thing you want to do is get all these pieces you see right here. This one, a 4x4, a 1x4 flat piece, a 1x3, as much as you can a 1x2, a 1x1 door, this little thingamajig is 1x1, and one of these to hold the thingamajig, and all other pieces that you see here. Alright, let's get started. First you want to get is this, the 4x4. Alright, now put all these like this. Now make space for the door. Then get the door. This one. Alright, you want to put a 1x1 on this side so it won't have anything, and so you won't see anything inside it. Alright, now put a 2x2 right here. Now put another 2x2 right there. Put a 1x1 in this part. Now get another 1x1, or if you want, just put one like this. Now put one 1x1 if you don't have any like this anymore. Get a 1x1, stick it in there, the free space. Now get a 2x2, put it right there. You're almost having it. Alright. Now let's put this part into it for the thingamajig. Right? As you see there, that's gonna be your thermostat or whatever. Now I remember how to say it. Alright. Now you want to do is put more on it so you won't see more on the back. Now just the pieces that you have left, just put them on there. And then at the end you put a 1x4 flat piece on the top. And you want to do it like this. You want to put it like this, or else you want to put it like this. But I go with this one much better. Alright, there you go. You have mini Lego refrigerator for your kitchen. And it opens. Let me open it. See? Opens. Alright. Thanks for watching.